wala space.
Wala lang po.
Oh no, okay. Let's go!
Okay, and this is your check-in number.
202.
Please select the type of certificate. Please push the passport.
And so this is our room. It's just small. One twin size bed and one single. Magulo pa siya. Then, yeah, it have a TV, an air conditioner, cabinets and hangers. Then, yeah, extra pillows. And I think you can lock this. I don't know where the key is. Tapos, oops, we also have mineral water. They have oolong tea. And natutuwa ko dito kasi they have UCC na 3-in-1. Ayan, so oolong tea, coffee, water heater for coffee and mugs. And a mini fridge. Ayun lang, wala naman siya naman. It's very decent and very malinis in all fairness. And this is the restroom. Yan yung CR. Merong toothbrush and other stuff. Yeah, shower, tissues. Yeah. It's very clean. And then. Ano lang, hi Nick. We will know.
Yung text mo sa akin.
Matangkad ako.
Sige na, kaya mo.
Ay! Uy! Ano to? Leg day? I have long legs.
Parang hindi na gumagalaw. Kaya umiikot na sa mag-isa.
Natawa ko.
Iko, sumasakit ang tangan ko sa'yo.
Ginawang karera. Racing kasi. Di ba dapat chill lang?
Parang may ganun ko dun sa last. Wala na eh. Parang hindi na ma-honor sa akin. Bakit sa dahil sa'yo.
Oh, dada.
So parang ikaw na lang yung bumubuhat ng relasyon.
So ano po ako magbuhat. Ang cute oh. Ayan, may liwanag na.
Eh wait, di ba ano pa natin dito is balikan?
Yes, me. Magra-round trip tayo. Pero sa Korea, masarap yung sabaw nila ng mga ganito. Masarap higupin, malasa. Kaya na-addict kami dun eh. Parang tuwing may dadaan na kami, bumibili kami. Grabe yung sabaw, yung sarap. Ang hindi rin pala. Sa bagay. Kasi parang yung fish cake na isang ganito. May nabiling pala kami. Para sa terminal, parang nasa 100 pesos. Pero kasi terminal yun. Hindi siya ano. Yung terminal na maraming food, yung magagandang terminal. Eh di ba pag ganun mahal yung food? Pero malalaki talaga serving. Kumbaga yung bibiling mo, sobrang busog ka na. Out outdoor exercise equipments. Ayan pa, oh. Ano to, pang sledging pa. Wala yung gusto ko. Ang mga baras pala to.
Baka kawal mo siya rito. Hindi mo siya pupunta sa pieces na
Babantayin mo rin talaga. Pero halimbawa kung ganito kalaki, usually naman, nag-i-sniff-sniff around lang siya.
Don't worry, it's included your parking fee. And I told you the easy car is like this one. And they can take a subway, also they can take a bus, and anywhere like if you go to a 7, you can also use easy car. Yeah.
Oo, bango.
有人要喝吗？有人要喝吗？不要，我付钱。不要，金华加绿豆沙。This one is yours.
Thank you.
This one is yours. This one is yours.
Thank you.
Okay.
Let's go.
I say morning time 9 to 5. And you come out tomorrow. And in here English called Chiang Shek. But in here, Chinese word they write is called freedom.
I bought spicy pork onigiri before we climbed Elephant Mountain. Itadakimasu. Ako dito. Onigiri. Gusto ko sana spicy, pero wala eh. Oh, it's a restaurant bus!